Hello, I'm going to show you guys how to make small details like I did here with the water and the grass. Um, those are just built around the water edges. They're called water banks. You create them by pressing Ctrl B, and they are under ground mounts. Water banks. Alright. By default they are just on Z position is 0.0, which you can see at the bottom here. And you want to place them lower to -23. So first you press delete twice and then hold shift and delete 3 times, and now you see it's underground, so under the water, because the water is always a bit lower. And I already placed them here. So just let me remove those really quick. Oh, -23. What you do is you press G for the grid and you place them slightly over the edge, like so. It's really easy to mess them up though, so I'll just turn the camera around like 360 degrees to check if you see any edges that aren't aligning. Alright, next one places the corner. They're usually trickier because you gotta align them from both sides. Looks fine. Alright, just place this one really quick. Yep, that's good as well. Alright. Sometimes you have weird, if you have weird edges, like here it might look weird to you, then you just press Ctrl B, back, mounts, and you can place some of those. Just lower it a little bit, so you can just place it here to make it look better sometimes. Don't place too much of them, I think they take up quite a lot of resources. So you always use the sandbanks around the edges. You got them in dirt as well for swamps. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna place those things. Those are ground textures. You can use them to make the like a difference between the grass and the sand here better. And it's a 2D window here. You just access them through this window. Grounds. They call dirt to corner till like grass corners. So I just gotta click on a bunch of them to find out which is which. Alright, to place these things, first go into grid, and we put it to 0.01, the first one, and you place it over the edge. The next one, you don't keep it like it is now, because if you do, and you place it over the other one, you can see it's flashing, see? Which is wrong, so you take this one and you put it to 0.02. Now if you overlap it, you see there's no flashing anymore. Alright, so next one, put it to 1, lower it again. And the next one you raise by 2. By 1. Alright. If you want to do corners, you can do it like so. This one we put to 2. And those are called dirt 2 corners. The trick is now, because the other one is on value 1 and the other one 2, so we can't use those. So we gotta put this one to 0.3, which it already is, and you can just place it over the edge like that. And now you see, if you tilt the camera a little bit, you see no flickering at all. So that's how to place those things. And if you have like grass textures, oh sorry, wrong window. Go to ground, grass. You can put those as 0.3 and you can place them for detailing. Example like this. If you want to place them under those, you gotta use it at 0.02 again, but make sure they don't overlap the other ones that are already 0.2. place it like so. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks.